to demonstrate one important law which is called the law of conservation of mass, which is in class 9. So we have this weighting machine. And these are two reactants. In the bottle we have taken acetic acid. So the liquid which is there, which is acetic acid, and a balloon is fitted here, and inside this balloon sodium hydrogen carbonate is taken. And in this bottle acetic acid is there. So at first what we will do, we will measure it, we will record the measurement, and then we will mix the two reactant. When we will mix the two reactant, chemical reaction will start. Again we will measure, we will find that the mass will remain same. Now we are measuring it, the reactant, we are measuring the reactant. So the measurement is, the measurement is 171 gram. Okay, the measurement is 171 gram, exactly 171 gram. Now reaction has started. Balloon enlarges. The reaction has started, the balloon enlarges, and we'll record the mass. It is exactly 171 gram. So we have, this is the law of conservation of mass. Reaction has started, we can see the bubbles, and because of the reaction the gas is evolved. This gas is carbon dioxide. 171 gram. After the reactions we can see still the bubbles is going on. Before the reaction it was 171 gram, and after the reaction also the reading in the weighting machine is 170. So you can see the reading is exactly 171 gram. Before the reaction it was 171, and after the reaction it is also 171 gram. So this is the law of